As operators, your ability to harness and leverage guest data effectively can revolutionize your restaurant. But where do you begin? How do you translate raw data into tangible growth? Navigating the ocean of customer data can seem impossible, but it doesn't have to be. With the right approach, you can unlock the full potential of this information, turning it into a powerful catalyst for growth. This step-by-step guide is designed to demystify the process, providing you with a clear, actionable roadmap. We'll explore how to collect, analyze, and utilize customer data in ways that not only resonate with your business goals, but also align with your customers' expectations. Whether it's personalizing marketing efforts, refining menu choices, or streamlining operations, each step is designed to be straightforward and impactful. So let's dive in and transform how you use customer data, turning it into a strategic asset that drives your business towards increased sales, higher customer retention, and an overall enhanced dining experience. Remember, in this industry, data isn't just numbers. It's the voice of your customers, guiding you to make smarter, more profitable decisions. Let's grow. This podcast is sponsored by Dine Pricing, real-time restaurant profitability. Dine Pricing uses artificial intelligence to improve profitability for restaurants by dynamically updating menus across digital channels. Step 1, understanding your data. This is where it all begins. Remember, it's not just about collecting numbers. It's about unlocking the stories they tell to drive your business forward. It's all about gathering the right data effectively. You're already familiar with your own point of sale system and how it collects and stores data. But third-party delivery platforms like Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, and first-party online ordering systems like Modern Online Ordering are gold mines here. They don't just process the orders. They capture valuable customer details, their order history, and even their feedback. Now, it's one thing to collect data, but what do you do with it? That's where data integration comes in. You want all this diverse information in one place, right? This is where a tool like Zapier steps in. It acts like a bridge connecting data from different sources, your POS system, online ordering platforms, and loyalty programs, and syncing it all into a customer relationship management system or CRM. Think of HubSpot, for example. It's like gathering all of the pieces of a puzzle and putting them together to see the big picture. But here's a key aspect: quality. It's crucial to keep your data clean and current. There's no point in having a lot of data if it's outdated or incorrect. So setting up regular schedules for data cleaning is essential. Tools like Data Ladder come into play here, ensuring that your customer data is not just extensive, but also accurate and relevant. So that's your foundation. Understanding and managing your data. It's the first step in transforming how you connect with customers, make decisions, and ultimately how you drive your restaurant's growth. Step 2, segmenting your audience. In step 1, we covered the importance of understanding and managing your customer data. Now we're taking it a step further. We want to understand the different stories your data tells. So first of all, we want to identify patterns. This is where the magic happens. It's all about looking at your data and seeing the trends. Are there certain menu items that fly out the door on weekends? Do some customers always order the same dish? This step is all about finding those patterns. You're like a detective sifting through the clues in your data to uncover the habits and preferences of your customers. Next, create customer segments. Once you've got these patterns, it's time to group your customers based on what you found. For example, you might have a segment of weekend regulars who always order your special brunch items, or late night snackers who prefer quick bites after 9 p.m. This segmentation isn't just about labeling, it's about understanding the different needs and behaviors of your customer groups. This way, you can tailor your marketing to each group more effectively. Understanding your audience in segments is like having a map to navigate the complexities of your customer preferences. It's no longer a one-size-fits-all approach. you're crafting specific strategies for specific groups, maximizing the impact of your marketing and service efforts. Remember, segmenting your audience is about a more in-depth connection with your customers, enhancing their experiences, and ultimately driving growth for your restaurant. Step 3, personalizing marketing strategies. Imagine being able to send a special offer to your weekend regulars for their favorite brunch dish, or a late night discount to your night owls. This is where tools like MailChimp for email marketing or Targetable for social media come into play. These tools help you craft and send personalized messages to each segment. It's about saying the right thing at the right time to the right people. This way, you're not just another restaurant spamming their inbox. You are a thoughtful host anticipating their needs. Next, loyalty programs are not just about handing out points or freebies. They're a powerful tool to personalize your customer's experience. With platforms like Accrue or Punch, you can customize rewards based on your customer preferences. For example, if a customer frequently orders vegan dishes, you could offer them a discount on your newest vegan item. This personalized approach to loyalty not only encourages repeat visits, but also makes your customers feel valued and understood. Personalizing your marketing isn't just about pushing sales. It's about building relationships. It's turning that welcome back into your usual table and shall we get your favorite dish started? This approach makes each customer interaction meaningful and memorable, fostering a sense of loyalty and connection. Step 4, optimizing your menu and pricing. Let's begin with menu analysis. Using tools like Plate IQ to analyze your order history, to identify your star dishes and those that aren't performing as well. It's about understanding customer preferences and seasonality. This insight allows you to refine your menu, focusing on what sells best, and perhaps even consider removing underperforming items. Now let's talk about dynamic pricing. This is a game changer. Consider a platform like Dine Pricing, which intelligently adjusts your menu prices based on demand, time of day, and other factors. It's about being smart with your pricing, driving margins during peak hours for your most popular items, or offering special deals during off-peak times. Step 5, enhancing customer experience. Implementing tools like Ovation can transform the way you gather customer feedback. Imagine sending a quick survey link with each receipt, encouraging your guests to share their dining experiences. This feedback is gold. It helps you understand what delights your customers and what needs improvement. Based on the feedback, you can use tools like Trello or Monday.com to manage and track improvements, whether it's speeding up service, tweaking recipes, or training staff. These tools can turn your feedback into actionable improvements. Remember, a happy customer is a returning customer. Step 6, training your staff. It is essential to train your staff on the importance of data. Use online training platforms like Talent LMS to create interactive and engaging training modules. Teach them not just to collect data, but to understand its value. Give your staff the tools and authority to make data-driven decisions. For example, if the data shows a particular dish is popular, empower them to suggest it to customers. Step 7, measuring and adjusting. Using KPIs or key performance indicators. Use platforms like Google Analytics or Tableau to track your restaurant's performance based on established KPIs, like the average order value or customer retention rates. Regularly reviewing these KPIs allows you to adjust your strategies. Maybe it's tweaking your menu or rethinking your marketing campaign. The goal is constant improvement. Step 8, staying compliant and secure. Data security and compliance cannot be overlooked. Ensure your practices comply with laws like GDPR or CCPA. Tools like OneTrust or TrustArc can help you stay compliant. Protecting customer data is paramount. Implementing robust security measures like firewalls and secure servers. Regularly update your security protocols to safeguard against breaches. Finally, guest data utilization is about cultivating a deep understanding of your business, your customers, and the market dynamic. Each step we've discussed is a strategic move towards building a more resilient, customer-centric, and profitable business. Remember, this journey is about transforming your approach to restaurant management. By harnessing the power of data, you're not just serving meals, you're building relationships. So take these steps, apply them, embrace the change, be the trendsetter in the industry, and lead your restaurant into a future where data-driven decisions are the cornerstone of your success. And remember, at the Restaurant Growth Show, we're here to guide you through each step of this exciting journey. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies to help your restaurant thrive in today's competitive landscape.